Hey, this is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and today I'm taking you on a bike ride with me and my good friend.
Earrings by Angela. I'm Angela.
So you guys have seen her in my video, our review of the celebrity Equinox, where she was talking about
the Golden Girls, and I'm Blanche, by the way. Thank you.
Yeah, she called that the Golden Girls Cruise. So you'll see what happens. So today she ended up calling me, saying let's go for a bike ride. I didn't have my bike rack hooked up on the back of my truck, and it was brand new, so I had to go in the basement, get it, put it together. It took hours. I was struggling, and we started our little bike ride. So we're leaving out of Stack now, about ready to continue on our biking tour.
Y'all pray for me.
She don't think she gonna make it, y'all. Right over there, you guys. Oh, y'all can't even see it. It's too far away, but it's the largest four-sided clock in the world. We might go that way. So this is what we did, y'all. We pulled up with our ceiling missing. We was going to the cigar bar. We pulled up with our ceiling missing. Hey,
wait a minute.
Pulled up with our ceiling missing.
You matching your bike and my purple book bag and purple chain and purple bike. They matching too.
So this is part 2 of the video. If you guys checked out our mukbang stop at Stack Burger Bar, now we're about to see if we can really do some biking out here in these streets and go somewhere and take y'all with us on our next destination.
Did you halfway sing that? Oh, am I still? No, I'm not. What are you doing? Stop.
Okay, so we rode about maybe 10 blocks and we're stopping over here.
I almost got hit by a car.
She almost got hit by a car.
Then I almost ran into the building because I was like, well shit.
So we're kind of on the south side of Milwaukee now. We're gonna go into the Shaker cigar bar behind me. We're gonna go into the cigar bar. Again, we haven't made it far on our little bike riding adventure here because we keep stopping off at bars and places, but that's what you do. We're gonna keep stopping off at the little bars.
I'm living my best life.
Places like that, but
going back and forth with you, I don't know.
But we getting our workout on. That's a good thing. We working out.
But we getting more calories than we're burning.
But we working out. We working out. Oh, and she got the purple chain.
I keep a big purple pimping, baby.
And I got my nice black, my Huffy mountain bike.
He's gonna get stolen because he's not putting a chain.
All right, y'all, let me chain this bike up real quick. I'll be back.
You know,
so back in the day, this used to be a, what do you call that? Where they couldn't come drink in there and they had the holes in the back.
Prohibition.
But what do they call it when they had the hookers and all that in there? They got a sign on the front that says the whore and 20s on it. It used to be a
really?
What are them type of places be called? A brothel, not a brothel. Something where you weren't supposed to have liquor, you weren't supposed to have prostitutes and all that. I can't remember, you guys, but we're here at the cigar bar now. The artwork. What side of town are we on, Angela?
The south side.
We're on the south side. We're not deep on the south. We're still not close enough for you guys to see this. The largest four-sided clock in the world. We ain't close enough. We might have to ride down there on our bikes. So.
What? I didn't realize what you said.
We're on a bike riding day, and she don't want to ride her bike. But she called me to ride your bike. So look at this. They got the sign there. It talks about the whore in 20s.
That's nice.
It used to be a speakeasy. That's what it used to be. It used to be a speakeasy place. So they had the back part. That's like the hidden part. For people to go back there and do all that type of stuff.
I'm gonna go back there.
To the whore in 20s? She wants to go to the whore in 20s, you guys.
Because I love the flappers.
Oh, she loves the gear. So the we're going inside, you guys.
The gear. I'm talking about the actual flappers, the ladies.
Nice patio out here.
That was like the first sign of feminism.
Oh, okay. Nice patio out here. She don't want to sit on the patio. She want to go inside. Sit on the patio,
but I want to go inside first.
What you doing now?
I'm living my best life.
How are you doing?
My first cigar.
She's buying her first cigar here, Cherry. Look at her, y'all.
I'm growing up.
But let's not let her forget she still got a bike to ride.
Cállate la boca, por favor.
15 to change.
Thank you.
Look who's over here on this picture. Oh, y'all can't see it, but that's Jeffrey Dahmer. So we still on our bike ride here, and Angela just got her first cigar. What is she dying laughing for?
I can't split the match.
I have a lighter, don't worry.
I'm like,
Born to
film.
flick. My lighter says born to flick. I don't know, I got this at some rest stop when I was traveling. Use the, damn, she's gonna burn her fingers up.
I wasn't born yet.
Born to flick. There you go, cherry cigarillo. And it was only $5. I could have had 5 on it, but she got it herself. And guess what, you guys?
But he bought me the drink, so that's really sweet.
I got mine from the Dominican Republic. See, I come with my own. These are vanilla from the Dominican Republic. Freshly rolled up there in Dominican Republic. Vanilla. So you guys, look, we have a lot of patios like this in Milwaukee that are sometimes are a little scary because they're so close to the curb, and they're actually almost in the street. And think about it when the city bus rolls up. There's this one place downtown Milwaukee, when the city bus rolls up, it looks like it's gonna tip over and fall over into the patio because it's just so close to the street. But there is a small bike lane there, and we're about to have us a little bit of social time here and smoke our cigars, and we'll catch you when we get back on them bikes. Okay, you guys, so we've been to Stacked, we've been to Shakers, now we're on our way. Good night, thanks. We're on our way, you guys.
Show me on the video.
There's Caroline's Jazz Club. I have a YouTube video coming soon from there.
Hey, y'all.
Angela behind me. We got to get y'all and show y'all some footage while we actually riding, so y'all say we wasn't riding no bikes. We don't want y'all saying we really wasn't bike riding out here in these streets, because we was. This side of Milwaukee, it kind of reminds me of Chicago a little bit, just because we have a lot of the train tracks over here, the bridges. Then there's a lot of lofts and old factories that have been like rehabbed into apartments and lofts and condos and things like that. I think she might be struggling behind me, y'all.
No, don't put that on YouTube. I'm not struggling.
You're not struggling back there?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, she's doing good,
Edit
y'all.
that video.
See, look, you guys, we have a lot of these like patios where they're like right on the curb. Oh, we should have went here. Look at this. There's another patio. A wine bar. Okay, so we back and got our bikes. And we're about to go for another ride. We rode the streetcar. I think my hat is crooked here. My hat's crooked. The sun then went down. So we got our bikes over here. We had them chained up at these nice little places here. And we're about to go. Where we off to?
Fire on water.
We're gonna go
Another
try
bar, y'all.
check out Fire on Water, you guys. The streetcar. How did you like the streetcar? So after all, any other words on the streetcar, ma'am? It put us to sleep. It put us to sleep. It went so slow. Yeah, the open sign is on, but they closed.
So I could have rolled the other way.
And went
Did
where?
my butt not hurt? Right?
So we rode all the way here to my little spot, Fire on Water. And they are closed. We are salty. I didn't have Fire on Water on my mind
But
all
not on your butt.
day. Fire on Water. They got Skittles.
Hey, they sell my Nader days.
And it say open. It was flashing when we was driving past. Oh, they got your natural light? Wow.
Yeah, my Nader days.
Wow, they got natural light.
Now I'm salty.